Whether you've been on campus for a while, are just returning to work, or soon will be, you may be wondering what may have changed in the buildings on our campus due to COVID-19 and what's staying the same. Let's start with what's staying the same. We are excited to have more people and activity on campus, and safety continues to be our top priority. First, we want you to know that the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention guidelines for cleaning and disinfecting will continue to be followed in all of our buildings on campus. And we will continue to rely on guidance from the Board of Regents, the Iowa and Johnson County Departments of Public Health, and the Big Ten Conference regarding face masks, social distancing, and other health and safety measures. Expectations for self-reporting of COVID-19 illness or exposure will continue to be in alignment with Johnson County Public Health contact tracing. To ensure a safe and robust on-campus experience for our students, our staff, faculty, and visitors, regular cleaning and disinfection of high-touch surfaces in common areas will be performed by our team at Facilities Management. We ask employees to be responsible for keeping their personal work areas clean and for practicing recommended hand hygiene before using items that can be shared with others, as well as cleaning items after use. Safety stations, including hand sanitizer, will remain in place for the fall 2021 semester. Enhanced filtration of our heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems will continue where possible throughout the fall semester. So what's changing? In May, the Board of Regents lifted the emergency declaration, and we began transitioning back to a regular operation at the University of Iowa. This transition includes suspension of both mask requirements and social distancing on campus. While you should feel completely comfortable wearing a mask if you prefer, fully vaccinated people no longer need to wear a mask or physically distance in university buildings or on our campus, except in UI healthcare settings and where required by state or federal guidelines, for instance, passengers on our CAM bus. Another change is there are no longer limits on room capacity, building traffic patterns, or space recommendations based on building ventilation capacity. So if you have been on campus at all during the pandemic, you will notice directional arrows and social distancing reminders are being removed. You may also notice door pulls that can be operated by foot have been installed in a lot of places on our campus, especially at restrooms. Where located, these eliminate the need to use your hands or arms to open doors, instead allowing you to pull the door open by using your foot and the step pad at the bottom of the door. As the university shifts its planning to return to in-person classes, we will reestablish an on-campus presence for most work functions. This will be a period of transition for us as a campus, and you may notice it will change the way meetings are conducted, how rooms are scheduled, and how we recruit and onboard new employees, among other things. Regardless, we at the University of Iowa have had a history of thriving even in periods of adversity. And this is another opportunity for us to rise to the challenge together. We look forward to seeing you around campus. And if you would like to learn more about any of the information or facilities-related changes, please visit the coronavirus website at uiowa.edu.